Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds TCL. The first one, the classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the bottom of the charging case, we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And the most important is this LED light. If you see it, meaning that your headphones are charging. The second option is to use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge your earbuds using your phone. If your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to the charging case. And again, we have the LED light, so it also works. Also, we can use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So it looks like this. I'm going to connect USB-C cable to my headphones, and USB-A cable I will connect to my PC. But you can use another device with USB-A port, as I said. So let's do this, and we have the LED light, so it also works. Also, these earbuds support it supports wireless charging. So we can use reverse wireless charging or wireless charging station. Firstly, we need to connect charging station to the power. And now put these earbuds at the charging station. And we see the LED light at the charging station, but the most important is LED light. We have it, so it works. And now let's check reverse wireless charging. So your phone should support this technology to use it. Go to the settings, then to the battery, so scroll down, battery, and right here we have battery share. Tap at this line. We need to enable this mode firstly. So let's do this, and after that, just turn over your phone, put your earbuds at your phone, and it also charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!